Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Precious from Boon Health and Beauty, and today I would like to answer a question that I received about how to make the bladderwrack and the sea moss into an edible form that you can consume, since the other way I'm consuming the other herbs is as a tea or as a capsule. But how do you consume these ones that are seaweeds? So just like every this is also just sea moss. Just like every seaweed, you're not able to turn this into a tea, and it's also very difficult to turn this into powder. So the best ways to consume bladderwrack and sea moss is to turn it into a gel, right? And how do you do that? You have to soak the bladderwrack. Just wash it first with some regular alkaline water, and then you need to soak it for 24 hours, just like the sea moss. If you haven't seen my video about how to make the sea moss gel, I'm going to leave a link below on the right side for you. And after soaking this for 24 hours, once you take the bladderwrack out of the water the next day, you need to put it in a food processor and turn it into a gel. Now, it's not going to expand too much, and the sea moss, if it's the original one, shouldn't expand very much. If it's a fake one, then you probably have it like twice the size of the amount you put in the water. But the original sea moss should not expand that much. So it's the same way you're going to make this bladderwrack and the sea moss gel. Together, they also work as a combined supplement. You can mix them together, but in my suggestion, if you mix the bladderwrack and the sea moss, then you cannot consume it daily because the bladderwrack is very strong. So better to have them separately, and you can have the bladderwrack whenever you want, and you can have the sea moss whenever you want as well. This can be consumed daily, but be careful and just watch out for symptoms in your body when you start to consume the bladderwrack. Secondly, once you make the sea moss gel, try to consume it within 3 days. It can stay in the fridge, but better not to have it after 3 days. So make only a little quantity that you can finish or you can consume quickly, and then you can make another one when that batch is about to finish. So guys, that's how you make the bladderwrack, and you can consume this. And now, how do you add this into your tea? Because of course, in my last video or my previous video where I explained about the 6 herbs that I'm taking after the detox, bladderwrack and sea moss of course was mentioned there, but these are the only 2 that are not herbs or cannot be made into a powder form. So how do you combine this into the tea? Well, after making your gel, your bladderwrack or your sea moss gel, you just simply need to take a spoonful and add it into your tea, or just put it in your mouth directly. That's fine, and drink your tea for the rest of the day. Or you can put it in your smoothie for the day, or put it in your salad or your oats or whatever it is that you're having. You can consume the sea moss and the bladderwrack in that manner. I hope this answers the question, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, connect with me on social media, and share your thoughts if you're also on this alkaline journey or a holistic journey, if you're trying to heal yourself of something, if you're just wanting to be healthy or have a better lifestyle. Connect with me and let's rub minds. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.